I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the different aspects of the universe, such as the sun, planets, and other things. At one point in history, Earth seemed to be the only significant thing in the universe. But with the passing of time and scientific advancements, it was discovered that Earth is in fact only a drop in a vast ocean, namely, the universe. It is important for Muslims to understand these scientific teachings, as it inspires one to adopt good characteristics, such as trust in the infinite power of Allah, the Exalted. When a Muslim faces difficulties and questions the help of Allah, the Exalted, they should ponder over the size of the universe and how many creatures exist in it. The Earth is a single planet in a solar system which is made up of many planets and a star. Many solar systems make up a galaxy. Many galaxies make up the universe. A Muslim firmly believes that all these things were created and are sustained by Allah, the Exalted, without any partner or help. When a Muslim reflects on this deeply, they should realize that if Allah, the Exalted, can sustain the entire universe without anything being deprived or falling out of sync, He can also take care of their issues and difficulties. Provision is something people often stress about, and in some cases, this stress even drives them to seek provision from unlawful sources. Whenever a Muslim faces this stress, they should reflect on the universe and on the countless creations which Allah, the Exalted, provides continuous provision for. If he does this, why should one suspect He will not provide provision for a person who only needs a few things to sustain themselves? Taking a step back when facing difficulties and assessing these facts is an excellent way to remove stress and strengthen one's trust in Allah, the Exalted. Teachings are found in the Holy Quran and in the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, such as the promise of Allah, the Exalted, to provide continuous provision to the creation. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 60.
And how many a creature carries not its own provision? Allah provides for it and for you.
But the truth of these teachings is also found in the creation, such as the universe. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 190.
Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for those of understanding.
Therefore, it is important for Muslims to firstly learn and act on the teachings of the divine scriptures, and then reflect on the creation. This will lead to the strengthening of one's faith, which includes the strengthening of one's trust in Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.